Okay, finally, guys, this is my part two. Sorry, I didn't upload early. I was not available. Remember, I uploaded this video, the part one, already. It was like close to Easter. So I was preparing for my Easter. So I went to the Free State and I came back last night. So I'm only able to do the part two today, right, guys? So I don't remember where I left my first video, but it's fine. So after the back and forth between me and the PA, right? The PA said I must elaborate because I only wrote that I have spiritual problems and financial problems. So I wrote that spiritually, I just want to find out if I'm spiritually gifted or not. Number one, it's not my place to tell you that I'm Ngitwasile, and I should not be having this conversation with the PA, but I should be having this conversation with Usistembi, which is the person engizumbadala, right? I didn't understand the PA. Number one, why if I get gene. So for me, Idlozilam was like, cha baby girl, when I go consult, I respect ngumuntu wesifazane ngifaka ibrook, right? So I did not understand, but anyway. So she was like, no, elaborate. So I wrote that spiritually, I just want to find out if I'm spiritually gifted. Financially, I'm not working, things is up better. I do have a job. So I didn't understand why should I give away the consultation before I get in. Then they asked me, Uguti, is your mother alive? System talks to the dead. If my mother is dead or alive, if she's dead, she'll be able to pick my mother, or she'll be able to pick that my mother is alive. Is your father dead or alive? Okay, bafunis bong sakabo babas. Why do you want the surname? Like I told you that agaqedanga and fana nokuthi ngokwesintu asishadanga. It's like, no, they have to also connect nezos lakubo. I'm like, okay, but anyway, I tell her okay, both my parents are alive, blah 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 blah, no shonile, you know, all this. Then she goes and she comes back. She's like, you know what, Usistembi says that into azoyenza because of you have to be here with your husband and nabazali bakho, right? I'm an adult, I'm over 30, I need my parents to consult. So into azoyenza uzok align. If people know that word align. And oh, by the way, the lady that I was with there, Longiti Waekala, on part one, she did comment on my video, and indeed she was holding a black suitcase, and I checked her profile picture. That's the one. Power of social media, right? I'll just take her after this just to show what's now. Then after that, they were like, no, system says that uzok align, right? But as I'm sitting, kungena the family of 4. If those people, I don't know, it was a girl and 3 amadoda out 3, right? So but manje mabangena, the tone iyaphansi. Yabo, surely now they were told that you need to come with your family. And the number one magnetic consultation, it's 950. Magati, bring your husband. Aksuguti, my husband is covered on the 950. It's 950 per person. So meaning to me, it was like, you want the 950, but per person. So when I come per person, you want me to come nenqwaba. So first is so for. So if I'm calculating 950 is close to 1,000 rand, guys. 50 rand. Masimbekele eceleni. Abantu ba 4 already. It's 4,000. Mangabe mina ngisiza so 3 nat already it's 3,000. So already it's how much? It's 7,000. And kusangena abantu because nanoma ngiphuma bekusangena abantu. So literally I can say Usistembi can make more than 10,000 a day, like literally. And considering that she's overbooked, you get a date after 2 years, that's nice, right? So I ngithi mina ke athi kimi Usistembi says into azoyenza uzok align. I'm like, what's that? Because in my mind I've got an idea what they're saying. She says, no, uzokutshela ukuthi how should you connect with your idlozi lasebukhweni nelakini lihlangane in because uthi uyadonsa but akakwazi ukudonsa idlozi lakho. I'm like, akakwazi ukudonsa idlozi lami ngila. Am I not supposed to be sitting idlozi lam lihamba nami? Vele you can't. Khona yazi guys, if you understand spirituality, you will understand ukuthi some dlozis are strict, like my dlozi, right? And I would believe ukuthi mhlambe idlozi lami la lingafuni ukuvela because mina idlozi lami liyazifihla, especially if lingafuni wazi indaba zabo, but I need to be there, right? So if we were having this conversation no Sistembi, then mhlambe bengingalincenga mina mhlambe enhlizweni ngithi hayibo bantu abadala velani phela yabona sesila yabona ngibone right. So uSisithembi akakwazi ukudonsa idlozi lakho, so akakwazi ukudonsa idlozi lami, akakakhulumi nami, akakangiboni. So now the funny part was the reasoning it's that wena idlozi elivelayo elakhabo your husband, so fanele yena angene. Is it me who's gonna consult or it's my husband? And then I'm telling you we're not married. Akakapheleli. It's like no kudingeka yena ngoba idlozi ngithi no uthi so are you staying with your husband? I'm like yeah. So uyaya uyabuya uthi no uSisithembi uthi that's why we can't connect with your idlozi because wena usishadisile. Guys, number one, mina ngathwasa my husband sekakokotile kodwa akakaqedi ne shukuthi mina ngathwasa idlozi elingekho, shukuthi mina idlozi malikhuphuka kwakhuphuka idlozi elingekho, shukuthi mina mangiphupha day in day out ngiphupha into engekho ngoba my idlozi apparently cannot connect with me. That's where for me a red flag was. But nakhona you can't be I can't be talking to a PA because already uPA ngimbuka ngalanto ukuthi untombazana nakhona ufake ibruko lapha ngwami. You understand? Already kwa idlozi lami liyacasuka ukuthi hayi cha ngathi la cha vele girl sesingakufuni la, you're not at the right place, right? So she's like uSisithembi uthi so into azoyenza uzokutshela how to connect. So mina ngiyobhadala i950 ukuthi ayongitshela mhlawumbe ukuthi ngithathe ilije ngibahlanganise ngintshela ukuthi idlozi hlanganani. Guys ngimdala mangaka. I will never do that and akusoze i950 imali eningi mangisuka la ngahamba mina ngayothenga ichikilikini ngayothenga whatever engifunayo ngayenza inzipho kwaba lithi nje ngeke i950 ningi. So she was like no but uzongena umbono uSisithembi in I was like so guys maybe mina idlozi angilazi. And then akhona already it's a red flag ukuthi you are asking me questions then uhambe uyokuThembi then uThembi comes oh then iPA yamosha yathi uSisithembi says that zonke le inkinga ozibhalile la that's the reason why you have so many problems because idlozi lakho it's not connecting with you. Ngathi naya ngakubamba because number one because now I wrote financial problems. You said I must elaborate, so I just wrote for the sake of writing because I was like no, I need to have a consultation with uThembi, not angibuze imibuzo. So me writing ukuthi angisebenzi ayikho nje leyo. Me writing ukuthi I want to know if I'm spiritually gifted or not ayikho leyo. I know I'm spiritually gifted. Ngathwasa mina ngaliphuza ngaliphalaza mina. So what are you talking about? So that's when I was like it's because you picked whatever that you pick because of what I'm saying. So you now trying to find a reason based on what I am saying. But anyway guys, no man, I wanted to share my story for those who, because I saw some comments now in the morning ukuthi abanye bathi they had great experience noSisithembi. I'm happy for you, kudos. So what I did, I was like no Puti angeke ngingene, I'm leaving. Uputi wathi no uzongena ukhulume noSisithembi. Ngathi cha umuntu omdala angikwazi ukuskenywa mina ngimdala ngingaka. And I'm not saying it's a scam, I was saying mina personally being scammed. Abanye then mina I was saying and ngalikhipha lelo gama ngathi cha Puti angeke ngicela ungivulele igate. Ngase ngimincile ukuthi baba bangavulela lama people, but I was like they will not because already there's other people sebangenile, this family of 4. So I decided to leave. Yabona mhlambe if bebathi 950 usicover sonke mhlambe I would have convinced that man to get in, but still I would have not because we agreed to do you, I do you, I do me. Yabona. So guys, that's how I left. I decided not to consult. Anyway, I didn't waste petrol. Like I said, it's 30 minutes away. I stay in Centurion, Pretoria. Yena ula Pretoria. That place yakhona, I don't know the name, but you pass that tunnel and la abantu imoto mazindlula bathanda ukuthi babanga umsindo. Then mawuqeda the first left you turn khona isabaphunyana lapho uhlala lapho. But if you want me to share my confirmation booking, it was last week in gate 23. It was gate 23 zaka March njengoba manje suku April. So it's not far. I'm not sharing stories nini, I'm sharing stories like 2 weeks back, last week. so thokozani Lesedi Kganya Qamakunda Uweshewe.